Hello students, let's solve this interesting problem on kinematics together. The problem states, a ball is dropped from rest from the top of a cliff that is 80 meters high. Ignoring air resistance, we need to calculate two things. First, the time it takes for the ball to reach the ground. Second, the final velocity of the ball just before it hits the ground. For these calculations, please use g equals 9.8 meters per second squared for the acceleration due to gravity. Let's get started. Now that we have defined the problem, let's list out our given values. First, we have the initial velocity, denoted by v0, which is 0 meters per second, since the ball is dropped from rest. Next, we have the height or displacement, denoted by y, which is 80 meters. Finally, we use the acceleration due to gravity, g, as 9.8 meters per second squared. Moving on to our first calculation, finding the time to reach the ground. To find the time t that it takes for the ball to hit the ground, we can use the kinematic equation for displacement y equals v0 times t plus 1/2 gt squared. Since the initial velocity is 0, the equation simplifies to y equals 1/2 gt squared. Plugging in our known values, we get 80 equals 1/2 times 9.8 times t squared. Continuing with our calculation, we have 80 equals 4.9 times t squared. To isolate t squared, we divide both sides by 4.9, giving us t squared equals 80 divided by 4.9. Calculating that, we find t equals the square root of 16.33. Taking the square root, we get t is approximately 4.04 seconds. Therefore, it takes approximately 4.04 seconds for the ball to reach the ground. Now, let's find the final velocity just before hitting the ground. To find the final velocity we can use the following kinematic equation which relates velocity, acceleration, and displacement. V squared equals v0 squared plus 2gy. Since the initial velocity is 0, this simplifies to v squared equals 2gy. Substituting our values, we get v squared equals 2 times 9.8 times 80. This gives us v squared equals 1568. Finally, taking the square root, we find v is approximately 39.6 meters per second. So, the final velocity of the ball just before it hits the ground is approximately 39.6 meters per second. That concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. This content is brought to you by the Eklavya Educational Channel. Remember to keep learning and keep growing. If you found this helpful, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.